$450,000.
Lot 256, the 1957 Porsche 356A 1600 Speedster. The restoration of this car is superb, as is the color combination of stone gray over red leather, offset with Rudge wheels. The car is fully matching numbers, down to the engine and every single body panel, all of which is confirmed by the Porsche Certificate of Authenticity. A stone gray, beautiful color, Porsche 356. There again.
This Porsche has been so well admired. 250,000 I'm bid. 300,000, thank you sir. 350 if you like. 350,000 already. And 400. 860. Absolutely, absolutely. 360,000 I've taken. Do I have 370,000 now? We're at $360,000. Do I have 370,000? Fabulous Porsche 356 Speedster. We're at 360,000. I've got you, sir. Yeah, absolutely. At $360,000. Do I have $370,000 anywhere in the room? Well, at 360,000 then for this magnificently well presented 370,000. I've got 370 here, sir. Do I have 380 from you? Up to you. I would as well. 380,000. Do I have $390,000 now? We're at 380. It is right here in front of me. You're out on my left. At $380,000. Do I have 390? Thank you, you bidder. Do I have 400,000 from either of you gentlemen? We're at $390,000. Do I have 400,000 now from either of you? Well, if we're all done, ladies and gentlemen, at 390,000, do I have 400? 5. 395. Do I have 400 now? Internet 400. Thank you. Internet 400. Do I have 405? At $400,000, then I'm selling on the internet. It's going for the first time. At $400,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time at $400,000. So we're all done. All finished. Sold internet bid 400,000. 12. RJ, together? 12.